If you're experiencing a verification pending status on AllCasting, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate through the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your AllCasting account. Look for any verification emails that may have been sent and follow the instructions provided. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you haven't received a verification email, log into your AllCasting account and look for an option to resend the verification email. Click on it to receive a new email. Step 3. Verify your information. Ensure that all your account information is accurate and complete. This includes your name, contact details, and any other required information. Incorrect details can delay the verification process. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Escrow to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to AllCasting's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the situation for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on AllCasting. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.